Today, we are going to start with the next part of the chapter P block elements. Today, we will start about noble gases. Noble gases. The different members are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Their general electronic configuration is Ns2, Np6. You can see it has a completely filled electronic configuration. So these are chemically unreactive. They form a very few compounds. That's why these are called noble gases. Occurrence. All noble gases except radon occur in atmosphere. Their atmospheric abundance in dry air is near about 1% by volume. Argon is the major constituent. Helium and sometimes neon also are found in the minerals of radioactive origin. Main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Xenon and radon are rarest elements of the group. Periodic trends in their properties. The atomic and ionic sizes increases down the group because of the increase in atomic shell. Then ionization enthalpy. Due to the stable electronic configuration, these have very high values of ionization enthalpies. However, it decreases down the group. Electron gain enthalpy. Again, due to the stable electronic configuration, they have no tendency to accept electrons, so have large positive values of electron gain enthalpies. Melting and boiling points. The melting and boiling point also increases down the group. However, they have very low melting and boiling point because of weak dispersion forces in between them. So interatomic forces are weak dispersion forces. All noble gases are monoatomic. Chemical properties. In general, these are least reactive due to completely filled electronic configuration in their valence shell, high ionization enthalpy, and positive electron gain enthalpy. Reactivity of noble gases has been investigated occasionally. In March 1962, Neil Bartlett observed the reaction of noble gas. He was working on this compound O2-PtF6. He then realized the first ionization enthalpy of molecular oxygen and that of xenon were almost identical. So he made efforts to prepare the same type of compound with xenon and was successful. He actually got this compound XePtF6 negative by mixing platinum fluoride and xenon. So this was the first compound discovered for any of the noble gas. After this discovery, a number of other xenon compounds with electronegative elements such as fluorine and oxygen were synthesized. Compounds of krypton are very few. Only KrF2 has been studied in detail. Compounds of radon have not been isolated but only been identified. No true compound of argon, neon and helium are yet known. So, we will talk about xenon-fluorine compounds. Xenon forms three binary fluorides XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6 by direct combination of xenon and fluorine in different proportions and at various experimental conditions. For example, when mixed in the 2:1 ratio at 700 Kelvin, it forms XeF2. If the ratio is 1:5, 700 Kelvin, 6 atmospheric pressure, then it is XeF4. If the ratio is 1 is to 20, 500 to 600 Kelvin, 50 to 60 atmospheric, then the compound is XeF6. XeF6 can also be prepared by the reaction of O2F2 on XeF4. All these three XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6 are colorless crystalline solids and sublime readily. They are powerful fluorinating agents. These are readily hydrolyzed even by the traces of water. XeF2 with water forms Xe, HF and oxygen. Similarly, XeF4 with water forms Xe, XeO3, HF, oxygen. XeF6 with water gives XeO3 and HF. XeXS also undergoes partial hydrolysis. On partial hydrolysis, it forms XeOF4 or XeO2F2 along with HF. Xenon fluorides react with fluoride ion acceptors to form this type of complexes. XeF2 plus PF5 forms XeF cation and PF6 anion. Similarly, XeF4 with SPF5 forms XeF3 cation, SBF6 anion. With metal fluorides, where metal can be sodium, potassium, rubidium or cesium, it forms this type of structure. So these are the structures of xenon fluorine compounds. You can calculate the structures again using Weissenberg theory. Xenon has 8 valence electrons. In XeF2, 2 have been shared by 2 fluorines forming 2 bond pairs. The rest of the 6 will form 3 lone pairs. So X is surrounded by 3 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. So geometry is trigonal bipyramidal where equatorial positions have lone pairs and on axial position we have fluorine. So the shape is linear. XeF4, 4 bond pairs, 2 lone pair. So shape is square planar. XeF6, here the shape is distorted octahedral. Here the 6 bond pairs occupy the 6 octahedral position whereas lone pair is in between. So the bond pairs are a little bit distorted, forming distorted octahedral shape. Xenon oxygen compounds. XeO3, colorless explosive solid, has a pyramidal molecular structure. This XeO3 was formed during the hydrolysis of xenon fluorides. So XeO3, this is XeO3. It has a tetrahedral geometry where one position is occupied by lone pair of electron. So the shape is trigonal pyramidal. Then we have XeOF4. Here it is XeOF4. The shape is square pyramidal where oxygen occupies the pyramidal position and these 4 electrons are in the plane. This is XeOF2. It is a T-shaped structure where 2 lone pairs occupy equatorial positions and fluorines are at the axial position, so it is T-shape. Then we have XeO2F2. Here also one equatorial position is occupied by lone pair of electrons, so the shape is seesaw. Uses of noble gases. Helium, non-inflammable light gas. It is used in filling balloons for meteorological observation. Also used in nuclear reactors. Liquid helium finds used as a cryogenic agent. also used as a diluent for oxygen in diving apparatus because of its low solubility in blood. Neon is used in discharge tube and fluorescent bulbs for advertisement display purposes. Neon bulbs are also used in botanical gardens and in greenhouses. Argon is used mainly to provide an inert atmosphere in high temperature metallurgical processes and for filling electric bulbs. There is no significant use of xenon and krypton. They are used in light bulbs designed for special purposes. So, this is all about this chapter, P block. Thank you.